What's up guys, it's Idiotic Creeper here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get any app or game on the App Store for free. So first things first, you're going to need to go to Safari, and you're just going to go in the search bar and search this thing called tongbu, T-O-N-G-B-U. You hit go. I've already been here, so it just takes me to the website. But if I do this, it's gonna come up with the Google search, and it's just gonna be this one right here. It's all in like Japanese writing and whatever. Don't need to know what it says; it doesn't really matter. But what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to click this right here, and a little pop-up thing is gonna come up, and it's gonna say it's giving you an example right here. I can't zoom in, but in iOS 7 it looks different. It's white, and it says, would you like to allow a bunch of Japanese writing to install? And you just hit install. It's gonna go to a new page on there, but I've already downloaded it, so it's in my tools, and it's right here. You're gonna want to open it up. And then you want to go to search, hit search, and I'm actually going to do an example here with Minecraft. I just downloaded it, so I don't have anything on it, but I'll do it again to show you guys. Minecraft. So Minecraft is actually about $6, I'm pretty sure, on the App Store, but you just search it in here. It's gonna be this first one. You can tell because this one is the wrong icon, and also the version number was like right under the rating, and 0.8.1 is the newest. So you're just gonna hit this green button and then hit it again. It's gonna go to a downloading screen, and that's gonna load. Just give it a second. It's not that big of an app, so it shouldn't take long depending on your connection speed. And then you're going to want to click this little white button, and it's going to ask you if you want to allow tongbu.com to install it on your iPod or iPad or whatever you're doing this on. You hit install, and it's going to go to a new page, waiting. It installs it just like any app from the App Store. Once it's done, go in. And on the iPod, it's not doing it here because I had already fixed it, but on the iPod, a lot of the apps, it doesn't do this on the iPad with a lot of them. Like, it'll probably do it on the iPad with some of them, but not everything. But on the iPod is where it happens most often. When you open up the app, it'll either crash like a couple of seconds after you open it, or it's going to ask you for your Apple ID. If you enter your Apple ID, it's not going to charge you for the app or anything, but it's not going to get you into the app either. It's just going to crash after that. And it's a glitch, I think, with the newest iOS. This is for iOS 5, iOS 6, or iOS 7, and it works perfectly on iOS 5 and 6, but it doesn't work perfectly on iOS 7, which is what I'm using. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use this website, and it's the same website that I went to download this app. It's just the software only for the computer. And then I'll actually switch to my computer right now and show you guys. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to go to the browser that you use. It doesn't matter which one, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, anything, but I use Chrome on Windows. This works on Mac too. You're just going to download the Mac version instead of the Windows version. But just go to Google, tongbu, just like you did on your iPod, same website. It's going to open up like this. You want to scroll down a little bit, and it's this first one on the top left right here. And there's two little icons, Windows and an Apple icon. The Apple one is for downloading it on a Mac computer if you have Mac, and the other one is for Windows. You want to click the Windows one, hit this download green button here, and it's going to download on your computer, but I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel it. It's going to go through just the basic setup wizard, just like any other software. You don't want to go to like custom installation and check off all the other search bars and like additional things that it wants to download for you, if there is any, because those are annoying and nobody really wants them. So, but anyways, after it's done, it's going to download 2 different desktop icons over here that I already moved because I don't like desktop icons. I like taskbar, which you can't really see because I can't get my whole screen in the camera, so sorry about that. But I think I can actually unpin this and put it on the desktop so you guys can see. So yeah, it's going to download this, and then it's going to say all things iPhone. The all things iPhone is just like an extra thing that'll take you to a website where it's just going to tell you things about how to get like tips and tricks on your iPhone. But you're going to want to open this called Tongbu Assistant and click yes to let it access your hard drive. Give it a second to load here. It's gonna open up like this, and you're gonna want to just plug in your iPod or iPhone or whatever you have, just like this with the charger. See that? And then into the USB port. It's gonna recognize it just like you would if you were in iTunes. And then you're gonna go to apps up in the top here. Click apps in the library section on the left. And then this little button right next to the search bar, it says fix crash. You just want to click that, and yeah, it'll fix the crashes and wanting to pop up asking you to type in your Apple ID for every single app that's doing that right now. And once it's done, you can just unplug your iPod and then try every app, and it'll work perfectly fine, and you didn't have to pay for anything. Also, you can use it this way, where you can use this software to download an app and then sync it to your iPod, and then you don't have to use fix crash or whatever, because you didn't download it from the iPod, iPhone, iPad app itself. But yeah, that's about it. And then basically you just have any app or game. So if you've been itching to get Minecraft or Device 6, another popular one, but you don't think they're worth the money, then just download this and do this simple process, and there you go.